Hi guys, welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. Thank you so much for your support. We appreciate it. And Happy New Year to you and to your loved ones. We appreciate your support in the last year and we look forward to creating more content for you in this new year. Please join us in this video. Watch until the end. Please remember to like, to share, to leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you so much and keep watching. Today guys, we'll be taking a sunrise drive in the largest and busiest airport in East Africa. We do apologize for this video will be a little bit dark as a result of recording in the direction of the sun. This is Jomo Kenyatta International Airport in Nairobi, Kenya, which is Africa's premier hub and ideal getaway into and out of East and Central Africa. Popularly known as JKIA, this airport was first opened in 1958 and was known as Embakasi Airport until 1978 when it was renamed to honor the Kenya's first president, Jomo Kenyatta. Jomo Kenyatta International Airport is one of the busiest airports in Africa and was recently ranked as the 7th busiest airport in Africa. At the Kenya Vision 2030, Jomo Kenyatta International Airport started receiving a facelift in 2008 to meet world-class standards. New terminals and runways were upgraded, and in 2017, Jomo Kenyatta International Airport was awarded a Category 1 status by the Federal Aviation Administration in USA, which allowed direct flights from and to the US.
Over me after the hardest night, giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love. And take me to church with your love. You took me down to the river, gave me a new start. It's different now with no sinners, breaking my heart, and I don't feel the hurt I used to be made of. 'Cause you take me to church without you, love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You give me reason to believe that it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen, hallelujah, thanking God's above. Take me to church with your love. Take me to church, take me to church, take me to church with your love. Take me to church, put me down to the river, gave me a new start. It's different now, no sinners, breaking my heart.